In this video, I am going to show you how to fix media lost in CapCut. This should be a quick and easy process. When your media is not found, CapCut will show you a message saying the media is lost. There are two reasons for this. Either you deleted the media or you chose another file location. Click Link Media, and from here you can locate where the video is. Double-click and locate where you moved the video in another file. Or you can go to your recycle bin and check if you deleted the video. In my case, I deleted it, so I am going to look for it. Once you find the video, right-click on it and click Restore. After you restore the video, the message will disappear in CapCut. As you can see, the video is now available. This was an easy and quick process. As always, thank you for watching.